SciTwist channel. Today I'm going to share my visit to one of the most impressive waterfalls in the world, Niagara Falls. This stunning natural wonder is located at the border of the US and Canada. We visited for 2 days during winter and stayed on the Canadian side, which offers the best views and several attractions that kids would enjoy. Given the freezing conditions, some of the popular outdoor attractions like the boat tours are closed. However, there are many activities that are available to make your trip more fun and memorable. I enjoyed our visit to Clifton Hill, a top destination for attractions, restaurants, entertainment, and more. The Niagara Falls looks great on postcards, but it is something that you must see and experience for yourself. You will be amazed by the spray, the roar, and the power of the falls, and being close enough is an unforgettable experience. Thank you for watching and see you at my next destination.